Hey guys, it's Ashley from True Reviews, and today I'm unboxing the Pet Treater Cat Pack. This is a monthly cat subscription box, and my cat, of course, had to make a cameo because maybe she knows what's in here. I don't know. It's only $12.99. They send like, I think, 3 to 4 treats, toys. It's usually more than that, I think. But anyway, it's really fun and it's really inexpensive. It's a great way to get treats each month. They do send a lot of like treats that are for cats that have sensitivities, so they, you know, it's if your cat does have allergies, you might be okay with it. They have a dog subscription, and they did also now start a dog mini subscription. All right, so our first item here is some catnip. This is Smarty Cat organic catnip. So there is that. Here's Smarty Cat. We have some little balls with, oh my god, this one has, I'm like, my lip is like sweating. What is going on? So this is from Billy Cat Supply. This is Cat Boy Ball Toy Collection, Mouse and Balsa. This is actually really fun. I think she might actually play with these. I love these little balls. My kids love them. That's who's going to play with these, I know it. But look at her. What's that? What's that, sweetie? All right, what else? We get some treats. It's from Pet Greens. These are Cat Craves, chicken flavor. These are like those little dark colored nuggets. Pet Greens. So they do they include greens? Barley, brewer's yeast. Wow. There's a lot of interesting. Wheatgrass is a nutritional powerhouse. In fact, 1 pound of wheatgrass is equal in protein and nutritional value to 23 pounds of garden vegetables. So there's that. And then we have our inserts. Our sticker for the month. Each month comes with a really funny sticker. That one is actually really cool. Our card, and then our final item is Super Catnip Crumbles. There's 40 of these in total. Each scratch releases thousands of micro-encapsulated catnip bubbles, just like scratch and sniff stickers. It says nano burst technology. I've never heard of anything like this before in my life. I'm actually interested to try them out. I'm going to link down below to my full review. She's like, oh, bugger. My full review, and I'll also link to Pet Treater with my affiliate link. As always, thank you guys so much for watching. I'll see you next time. Bye!